Good Tuesday afternoon, and thank you for logging on to your Aggieland Carpet One Forecast. Meteorologist Max Crawford here with you, talking about the tropics once again. Tropical Storm Bill made landfall at about 11:45 a.m. near Port O'Connor, and we're continuing to track that here as it gets a little bit closer to the Brazos Valley. Quick look into the Live Eye network out of the Burleson County Courthouse. Scene is about the same just about anywhere across the Brazos Valley right now. Some good ominous clouds right now, but not a whole lot of heavy rain to speak of at this hour. We saw some good heavy rain around the College Station area, dumped about 1/4 of an inch a little bit earlier today, and then some stuff just moved out of Leon County towards Centerville and Leona as well. Did have a report of about 0.59 inches from a weather watcher there. Flash flood watch still in effect here until Wednesday at about 6 o'clock, so that's about that window that we're looking at for the heaviest rain, and again, that is going to be the main threat going through the next 24, even 36 hours. Quick look at the satellite and radar across the state. You can really see Bill spinning up just to the south and west of Houston. It looks to start to move to the north and east over the next couple of hours. A quick look at what our models have as far as its movement, tracking the center of that just to the west or just near the Brazos Valley over the next about 24, even 36 hours. And what we're looking at with that, like we've been talking about throughout the entire week, is the potential for some flooding thanks to all that heavy rain, especially with some training that we could get with some of those tropical rain bands. There is a chance that we could see some heavy winds with this, with some of the stronger storms, and there is a very isolated tornado threat as well. A brief spin up, definitely a possibility with this tropical system. So here's a look at the pinpoint. This will look at about 2 o'clock. This is when we can see that intermittent, very heavy rain at times passing through the Brazos Valley. And then as we go into about 3 o'clock, looks like we could reload pretty quickly, especially in our southern and western counties. So we'll see that that's where we're expecting to get some of the higher rainfall totals as it's a little bit closer to that center of circulation as it passes on through. And then the best chance for a total washout looks to be around dinner time, and then at least into the overnight hours. We might get a little bit of a break from the widespread heavy rainfall as we go into Wednesday morning, but still plenty of rain possible at least through lunchtime on Wednesday, and then probably into the afternoon hours as well. We'll keep about a 50-60% chance through Wednesday afternoon and into the evening hours. As far as rainfall totals, the trend for our pinpoint forecast has been to give the south and west counties the highest rainfall totals. We believe that that's probably a good shot, but we're going to call for 3 to 6 inches plus here widespread across our area, with some isolated amounts close to about 10 inches. So not saying that's going to be for Belleville. You see that 9.37 there. Not given that that will happen, but across our southern and western counties, we could see some of the higher rainfall totals over the next 24 hours. So tonight, expect heavy thunderstorms, especially as we go into the overnight. And then to start our Wednesday, 70% chance for thunderstorms throughout the entire day on Wednesday. The good news is things really look to quiet down as we go into the rest of the week and into our weekend. In the meantime, keep it tuned here to kbtx.com/weather, Facebook, Twitter, and of course on air, and we will continue to update you as Bill gets a little bit closer.